Welcome, third grade parents and families. We are going to today go through the spelling of the long E patterns.
So we have here 6 words, and in these 6 words, they have all the different long E combinations. So if we start with this first word here, we want to dot our vowels. We want to divide and conquer our rules. So our syllable break would be here. This becomes an open vowel in our first long O. This EA becomes a vowel team in our second long E sound. So we have reveal. Our next word, we're going to consider the Y a vowel. So our syllable break would be here. So we have 2 open sounding vowels, baby. Next we have O-E-E. Our syllable break would be here and here. We have a long O, which is open. We are our vowel team, and then we have a double E consonant, a double E vowel team. It makes a long E sound for over C. Next word we have our vowels I, E, E. Our syllable break would be between the S and the C. We have a closed vowel for the I. We have a EE vowel team to make a long sound for discrete. Down here we have IEE. So this is a vowel pair for E. And the E is silent, is it not?
Yeah.
So peace. And then lastly we have EE, which becomes a VCE pattern. Again, silent E. So it is theme.
All right, so if we think about that anchor chart that we looked at with all the other long vowels, this again is that long E, so the beginning and middle of the syllable. We would have our EA, the IE, and the VCE, which because it's the long E is an E with a consonant and an E. The EA, there are a few exceptions, like the word T or C, but we, for the most part, are showing kids that it belongs in the beginning or the middle. You're also going to see some exceptions with the IE. You saw it in the word peace being in the beginning or middle, but some words like cookie or movie will have that IE at the end. But again, we are telling kids that for the majority of the time it will be in the beginning or the middle of the syllable. If we come over here at the end of the syllable, we would have that Y, like we saw in baby, or we might have just the E. Students have learned that open syllable. That was one of the first lessons that we did at the beginning of the year. So that E, like we had in reveal, that E, there was no consonants after it, making it just the E. And the last one that you will see down here is both. That EE can go in the beginning or middle of the syllable, like you saw in the word discrete, or it can go at the end, like you saw in the word oversee.
So just kind of to see it side by side here. You can see that the EA comes in the middle of that syllable. The Y comes at the end of that syllable. The double E can come at the end of the syllable or in the middle of the syllable. Peace came in the middle of the syllable, and VCE long sound came in the middle of the syllable as well. And I suppose this little E right here came at the end of that syllable RE. All right, thanks.
Right.